Welcome to my channel. How to set up Nighthawk X10 R8900 Smart Wi-Fi Router, Easy Guide. 1. Unbox your router. Take out the Nighthawk X10 R8900 router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and any manuals from the box. 2. Connect the modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the router's internet, port to your modem. 3. Power on the router. Plug in the power adapter and switch on the router. Wait for the LED lights to turn stable. 4. Connect to router Wi-Fi. On your computer or mobile device, search for the router's Wi-Fi network name, SSID, printed on the label. Connect using the default password. 5. Open web browser. Open any web browser and type http://www.routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. 6. Log in. Enter the default username, admin and password, or as printed on your router. 7. Follow Setup Wizard. The Setup Wizard will guide you to configure your internet connection, Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. 8. Update firmware. Check for the latest firmware update and install it to ensure your router is secure and running smoothly. 9. Connect devices. Connect all your devices, phones, laptops, smart home devices, to the newly created Wi-Fi network using your chosen password. 10. Place router strategically. Keep the router in a central location, away from walls and metal objects, to ensure the best Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Thanks for watching.